This 5-minute solution will show you how to know who doesn't follow back you on Instagram. To find out who doesn't follow you back, first of all open Insta application and go to your profile page and tap on following. And here you will get the list of you follow. Now, for example, I want to know this user follow me back or not. So I'm going to tapping on this 3 dot next to this profile. And now tapping on see shared activity. And here you will get this message. This user doesn't follow you. That's how you will be able to know who doesn't follow back you on Instagram. Just tap on this 3 dot next to the user, tap on see shared activity, and here you will see the user follow you or not. And now to unfollow this user, just tap on following, and that's it. This is how we can know who doesn't follow back on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.